I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to stay updated with your investments on TD Ameritrade, activating notifications is a great way to do it. Here is how you can set it up in just a few steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the TD Ameritrade app or website and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have access to your account to proceed with the notification settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, look for the Settings option in the menu. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Notifications. In the Settings menu, find and click on Notifications. This section allows you to customize what alerts you want to receive. Step 4. Choose your notification preferences. Here, you can select the types of notifications you want, such as market alerts, trade confirmations, or news updates. Make sure to toggle on the ones that matter to you. Note if you miss the toggle for market alerts, you want to receive updates on stock price changes, which can be crucial for trading decisions. Step 5. Save your changes. After selecting your preferences, don't forget to save the changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the screen to ensure your settings are applied. Now you're all set to receive notifications tailored to your trading needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Happy trading!